people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to talk about 4 different credit cards, possibly 5 different credit cards you guys can get if you're looking to get free gas, basically. Or it's going to be credit cards where you guys can get rewards back. You guys can put that money towards your gas. You know, gas prices are going up like crazy. So I just want to make sure I come up with something for you all and kind of show you what I'm doing, so that you guys, what I'm doing right now to get money back, so that I can offset my gas prices, because gas is just out of control right now. So I want to go over these credit cards. If you guys have any questions, or if you want a further review on these credit cards, definitely check out the videos. If I have a video for it, I'll make sure I have a pop-up for it. But if you want to make a complete video on a credit card, definitely let me know. But go ahead, drop your comments down below, and I'll be sure to answer them for you. And make sure you guys like this video, and make sure you guys subscribe. But let's get right on into the credit cards. So the first credit card I want to talk to you guys about is the Citi Custom Cash Card. Now, the reason I like this credit card is because you guys are going to get $200 cash back after spending $750 on purchases in your first 3 months of opening your account. So that $200 cash back, that alone right there can go towards gas. If you guys want to offset your gas, it can go towards anything, but that right there can offset your gas. And you guys are going to get the low intro APR for 15 months on purchases and balance transfers. And the reason why I really like this card also is because not only are you going to get the $200 cash back, but you guys are going to get 5% cash back on your top eligible spend category, up to $500 spent on each billing cycle. So that can be gas. So if you look right here, you guys can get that with restaurants, gas stations, grocery stores, select travel, select transit, select streaming services, drugstores, home improvement stores, fitness clubs, and live entertainment. So I know I want you guys to get the 5% back at gas station, but say if you guys were to spend more money somewhere else, if you guys are going to get the 5% cash back, they're going to go ahead and give it to you based off of your top eligible spend category. So if it's gas, it's gas. If not, if it's restaurants, it's restaurants. And that extra cash back, that can go towards your gas if you choose to put it towards your gas. And you guys are going to get the 1% unlimited cash back on all other purchases. That's because they capped it at $500 for each billing cycle, but you guys will still get that 1% cash back for all of your other purchases. So I definitely want to talk to you guys about this credit card. This is a good credit card if you want to get that $200 cash back, but you have to make sure you spend the $750 on purchases within the first 3 months. And then you guys are going to get the low intro APR for 15 months. And there's no annual fee. Like, you can't lose with this. Now, if you already had this card before, because people think, oh, I had it, I canceled, I don't have it anymore. If you had it before in the past 48 months, you cannot, and you already got an offer for sign up on a credit card, you cannot get an offer again. You cannot get that $200 cash back bonus. People think that they could just cancel and then get that bonus again. You can't do that. That's not going to work like that. But definitely look into getting this credit card, because it's a great option for you all. The next credit card I want to talk to you guys about is the Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards. Now, this one, you guys are going to get the $200 online cash rewards bonus offer, and then you guys are going to get 3% cash back in the category of your choice, which you guys can pick gas if you want to pick gas, especially if you guys do a lot of traveling. You may want to just pick gas. If you spend money somewhere else if you spend more money somewhere else, such as like the grocery store, then you may want to pick the grocery store, or you want to pick another category and then just use that cash back to go towards your gas. You know, it's wherever you spending the most money at. But understand too that it's going to be on your first 2,500 in combined purchases in each quarter. So they're going to go based off of 3 months basically, and you're going to have the $2,500. So that's basically more than it would be for the Citi, because Citi basically would have you at $1,500. So this is $1,000 more, but it's 3% instead of 5%. So that's something to think about too. So you're going to get that 3% back, but then you're also going to get that 2% cash back at the grocery store and at the wholesale club. So that's something good. And then 1% cash back on all your other purchases. So that's good for those people who they're spending a lot of money, because you guys have the option of getting cash back up to $2,500. Now, you guys are going to get the 0% intro APR for the first 15 billing cycles for purchases and for balance transfers. that's made within the first 60 days of opening your account. So that's really good. For those people that's holding a balance on your credit cards, you guys can do a balance transfer. And if you do a balance transfer, you're going to have to pay that 3% fee to start off. But say if you got a credit card where you're paying 24% in interest, when you transfer your balance to this credit card, make sure you pay it off within those 15 billing cycles. And if you pay it off, that money that you were going to spend on interest, and I'm pretty sure if you guys check your statements, it's going to be a lot of money. That money can go towards gas. It can go towards your rent. It can go towards your mortgage. It can go towards anything. So that can help you all out right there. You can do a balance transfer, and then you guys will get the rewards. So I definitely want to talk to you guys about this credit card. I thought this was a great credit card for you guys to be able to get. So if you guys have questions, or you want me to go into greater details of the Bank of America customized cash rewards card, then definitely let me know. Now, I'm so excited to talk to you guys about Wawa, because Wawa have a promotion right now where they are doing, I believe they're giving out you guys will get a 15-cent discount right now on gas, I believe. Now, go ahead, check with your gas station and see what exactly that is. But I just went there today, and they're doing that if you're using the app. So you're going to get that if you're using the app, but you guys can also you guys are going to save 50 cents per gallon your first month after you open this account with your Wawa credit card. So that's really good. And then after that, you're going to get 5 cents off per gallon. So that is really good for those people that use a lot of gas. And I love Wawa. You guys can get so many things at Wawa. They have the food you can get there. And I just love how their whole setup is. So definitely you guys have the option to get a Wawa credit card. And then I heard it was easy to get this credit card. I did a video on it before. I'll try to see if I can tag it for you all. But I heard it was easy to get this credit card. So this may be a credit card that you all may want to look into getting. Now, the next credit card I want to talk to you guys is a Costco credit card, technically. So it's a city credit card, and it's for those people that have a Costco membership. So if you guys have that Costco membership, you don't have to, you guys have no annual fee, because you're basically having to pay for your Costco membership. You guys are going to get no foreign transaction fees, which is really good. And you guys are going to get 4% back on eligible gas, including gas at Costco. And then that's going to be for the year, you're going to get $7,000. So when I say for the year, you're going to get $7,000. That didn't come out right. So for the year, you can only get it up to your $7,000 in spend. That's how much you're going to get that 4% back on. And after that, after you get to that, you spend $7,000 in that year, then after that, they're only going to give you the 1% after that. And then you guys are going to get the 3% back at restaurants and eligible travel purchases worldwide. You guys are going to get that 2% back on your purchases at Costco and Costco.com. And then also you're going to get that 1% back on all your other purchases. So here's everything. I tried to just say it really fast for you all, but here's everything here with the Costco, the city credit card. Now, with this credit card, you guys, don't forget you have to have that Costco membership, but still you're going to get that 4% back at the gas stations, which is really good. And even at the Costco gas station. So you may want to look into getting this credit card. Let me know if you guys like this credit card, if you had this credit card before. Remember, you can drop that down in the comments. Now, last but not least, I got one more credit card I want to tell you guys about. And the reason what made me think to make this video was based off of me using this credit card, and that is the Discover credit card. So with the Discover credit card, you guys are going to earn 5% cash back on your everyday purchases, and it's going to be in each quarter we have something different that we're going to get 5% back on. And right now it's gas. So from April to June is going to be gas. And if you guys sign up for this credit card, you guys are going to get that 0% intro APR for 15 months. So that's really good. And you're going to get the 3% intro balance transfer fee. That's all the way up until July 10th. So I really like this because you're going to get that 5% back. You're going to have that 0% APR, which is really good. And then you're going to get 1% cash back on all of your other purchases. Now, understand this. They have the cash back credit card, but if your credit is bad or you got a lower credit score, you got to start with a secure credit card. You can also start with their secure credit card, and they're giving 2% back at gas station and restaurants up to $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter. So that's really good. At least you guys will be able to get that 2% cash back if you have to start off with a secure credit card. Now, one thing I really love about Discover is that you can pre-qualify for their credit card. So you can click right here on check now and see if you can pre-qualify for their credit card, and they'll let you know if they can approve you or not. And then you won't get that hard inquiry when they check to see if they can approve you. And then also too, if you go down to the bottom of the Bank of America, I kind of missed this, you can see what offers that they have for you. And if they can offer you a credit card, definitely go ahead and take that credit card. Now, I want to show you the categories for the people that's going to get that Discover credit card. So we already had the grocery stores, the fitness club, and the gym membership where you were going to get that 5% cash back up to $1,500 in purchases. And that excluded Walmart and Target purchases. But that was from January to March. So now from April to June, we got gas station and we have Target. So if you guys shop at Target, then perfect. You guys are going to get that 5% cash back. And then too, that's going to be up to $1,500 in purchases. Now, next, we're going to have, after June, from July to September, we're going to have restaurants and PayPal. And then around Christmas time, end of this year, from October to December, we're going to have Amazon and digital wallets. Now, remember, when you're using your Discover credit card, you can get your cash back as a credit towards your credit card bill. So say if you use your credit card to pay for your gas, right? Because that's what you got to do anyway. Use your credit card to pay for the gas. When you guys get that cash back, all your cash back could actually go towards paying your bill, which is going to save you money, which means you got more money to put somewhere else. So I really think that these are some awesome credit cards you guys can go ahead and apply for. Definitely let me know if you like this video. Definitely let me know if I went straight to the point too. I like to just go straight to the point, talk about the credit cards. Just because I don't want you guys wasting your time just watching a video about a credit card. I want you to get straight to the point and apply for it if you're going to be able to apply for it and just get it over with. But let me know if I went straight to the point, and let me know if you guys have any questions for me. And don't forget, you guys, I have my exclusive membership where you guys can sign up. And when you guys sign up, we can help you send out letters to remove any negative accounts that you may have on your credit reports. And then we can also teach you how to do it. Now, my time has been stretched very thin. I thought that I'll be able to come off maternity leave and everything will be fine, but that is not happening like I had a plan. So if you guys schedule a call with me, please understand if I have to reschedule. And then too, I pay people to help you guys. So I have people on my team that will be able to help you. So I have them available that you guys can be able to talk to them. If we have a scheduled call, you may get a call from Israel. He'll go ahead and take the call. And then too, I have someone named, Esther on my team, where if you guys call in, you guys probably already talked to her, but she's able to help you guys too. So if I'm very busy, I pay them, you guys. They're knowledgeable. They can go ahead and help you all. And if it's a question where you're saying, hey, I still need to talk to Rickita, then please be understanding that I may have to call you sometime throughout that day. And if I can't get to you that day, I may have to call you on my next available time. But thank you all. And let me know if you have any questions. I'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye.